Strengthening Learning Through Cross-Curriculum Planning and Literature by James Kern. Uh, Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Today, we're going to do a quick PD on cross-curriculum planning, which basically connects subjects and use the right mix of stories and nonfictions can help students understand things more deeply. Uh, and I'll be sharing today uh, the key benefits, some grade level tips, and a few examples you can use right away. Why cross-curriculum planning matters. Cross-curriculum planning helps students see how everything they learn works together. Instead of thinking each subject is separate, uh, they start uh, they start to notice how reading, writing, science, and social studies support one another. Not only that, when they make those connections, learning makes more sense and sticks longer. And plus, it feels a lot more like real life. Benefits of using literature. Uh, Using both stories and nonfiction make things stronger. Uh, stories can uh, Stories can keep students engaged and help them relate. And while nonfictions give them facts and vocabulary, when we put the two together, students understand the content from both emotional and informational angle. Cross curriculum planning, K through three. Uh, Let me see. In K through three, picture books and sample nonfiction pairs with like hands-on activities real well. Young students need read alouds, visions, step-by-step support to connect literacy skills with content skills, with content learning. Cross-curriculum planning grades 4 to 8. When coming to this, students can handle more complex texts and bigger ideas. Literature helps them explore themes and nonfictions, add the content knowledge, supports like vocabulary word previews, vocabulary previews. I'm sorry, and graphic organizers are still important because reading levels they vary a lot. Alignments to reading standards. Uh, Cross curriculum planning also connects nicely to reading standards. Student practice main ideas, uh, text structures, vocabulary, and evaluating information. But in a way, this feels natural and focused, differentiating and diverse learners. I make sure the students can jump right into the lessons, no matter their reading levels or backgrounds. Using different kinds of text, pictures, and samples, sample supports help struggling readers and English learners follow along. They kind of follow along without feeling overwhelmed. It also gives advanced students more space to dig, and basically, I set things up so everyone has a first shot at understanding the story and the skill and the skill where work and the skills where we're working on. Example of K through three. Uh, we basically read a fiction story about insects. Then we pair it with a short nonfiction article. Students can compare the two sequence in life cycles and do a sample observation journal with the class science activity. 4 to 8 example, they can use a novel including like hurricanes, then add a nonfiction article explaining how hurricanes form. Students compare the fiction and the nonfiction and share them in the class. My final take is at the end of the day, reading, writing show up every day in everyday subjects. Whenever we plan for it or not, basically Cross curriculum planning gives students a bigger picture of understanding and the building skills they are using. The building skills they're using long term. Uh, Thank you for being here today. Thank you for being here today again, and I hope these ideas make cross curriculum planning feel more doable uh, to use. Thank you.